It was recently the Chinese New Year, and it was the year of the rabbit, because every year it's a different animal. And you guys can have a look and get your parents to show you what animal you are. I'm a monkey. I am a monkey. I'm a cheeky monkey. But every year for the Chinese New Year, they do lion dance and dragon dance performances to show a bit of colour and excitement. And this is the Chinese lion, which scares away evil spirits and brings you lots of good luck. So guys, when you see a Chinese lion dance or a Chinese dragon dance, it gives you lots of good luck. But a lot of people don't realize that the Chinese lion, the tradition goes back over 1,000 years. Can you believe that? Over 1,000 years ago, Chinese peasants in their villages were very worried that their crops wouldn't grow. And they believed that if their crops didn't grow, it's because evil spirits had cursed their crops, so they didn't grow. Because, of course, they didn't know about science like we do nowadays. They had to create a magical explanation for things. So their idea was, if you've got evil spirits, you can scare the evil spirits away by having a good spirit, which is this creature here. Very loud, very noisy, lots of colour, lots of movement. Now, a Chinese lion has got a beard for wisdom, a mouth for great big teeth, a big nose with little bogies sticking out. These little bogies sticking out of his nose. He's got very, very fierce eyes, floppy ears, but he's also got a horn, which is a unicorn's horn, believe it or not. So he's made up of all different kinds of animals. And you'll see what this is. That, it's a bit of string. I'm like a magician giving away all my secrets now, because the string is what flaps the eyes when you pull it. So when you're inside the costume, you need to have 3 hands, really, because you need one hand to hold the head, one hand to flap the mouth, and the other hand to flap the eyes. So it's really difficult to control everything all at once. And of course, you've got to be running and jumping around, pretending to be a lion. So it's really quite tricky and difficult, but it's very good fun, especially because we know that we're bringing lots of good luck to people, and we're going to spread lots of good luck for the Chinese Year of the Rabbit.